My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked for IRS a decade. I've been in private practice for 41 years. So just want to kind of tell you what I bring that very few people bring is bring both worlds together. But remember the things I'm telling you, I tell you on the IRS side, and then I tell you how to defend those. I've been on all the national news stations. Just go to my website and you can learn about me and all my videos on national TV, like Fox, ABC, NBC, I think CBS, News Nation, Newsmax, they're all on there. I think we'll have some of them on there. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about filing your back tax returns. A lot of people are so hesitant to file their back tax returns because they're basically scared to file them. I know that. I was a former revenue officer for the Internal Revenue Service, and I would knock on the doors and I'd deliver summonses, doing the business. I'd close businesses, all that stuff. So I understand the fear that goes with this. You know, filing back taxes is kind of unique because IRS actually wants you back in the system. I remember in the year 2000s they did something called Compliance 2000, where they just wanted the last 3 years. Now IRS wants the last 6 years. There's a policy statement, P5 133, that says you only need the last 6 years. That's it. So I'm just telling you, if you have not filed your tax returns because you're scared, believe it or not, that's not a good reason to IRS, and you don't need to be scared. Here's the process. You file the last 6 years, you hire someone, or you do them yourself, or you hire someone to prepare your last 6 years. You're going to have some money to pay for this because you got 6 years of bookkeeping and records you have to do. Just know that from the start. But at some point, IRS is going to have a revenue officer breathing down your back to come in their office to look at your records, and you don't want that. You want to file your tax returns by yourself because IRS usually doesn't look in those records, honestly, and they don't. You got to file correct tax returns, and they don't go digging in your past. They accept those returns. So if you get someone qualified like us or whoever, you file those last 6 years, and then what happens? IRS will bill you for it. At the end of the day, you're simply going to give IRS a financial statement, and they're either going to put you in currently non-collectible, they're either going to have you make a payment agreement, or you may be able to settle your debt based on your financial statement. Don't be scared about doing this. Remember, if you hire someone, you have a power of attorney, and you're never going to speak to IRS ever. So it's very possible you can settle this whole mess for pennies on a dollar if you qualify. But man, at some point, you're not. You're going to be more scared when IRS asks you to come in the office on a federal summons. Believe me, take the fear out of this. Just make the call, get this over with. If not, IRS will be on you at some point in time. They know about you. I know they know about you because I knew about everyone in my zip code that didn't file. Trust me. Anyway, call me if you need me. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I appreciate you listening today. Give me a subscription. I try to give you all the information I can. Thank you so much.